Hello everyone, I'm Sam. Today I will be introducing how to download and install the Blade Strategy platform. First, go to website www.bladecoin.com and set the language to English. Then we navigate to Product Download page. On the download page, you will find three parts. The first part is Blade software compressed file. The second part is Python runtime environment compressed file, split into part 1 and part 2. The third part is test case, which divide into three parts, part 1, part 2, and part 3. The Blade software and Python runtime must be downloaded and installed, while the test cases are optional. All the software only need to be unzipped. No installation is required. First, we click the URL to download the Blade software. If you unzip the Blade software, you can see a Blade strategy system demo guide PDF file. You must carefully read these installation sections, and it will teach you how to correctly install Blade and how to use example data to create strategy. If you have any questions or you want to buy Blade, you can email us at info@bladecoin.com. Thank you very much.